Hey guys, good morning. I'm here in the Philippines, so I think we should mix it up and use all Tagalog words when I'm doing my get ready with me. I don't know how to start this, but so yung pants na susuotin natin is like a high, pataas na oversized na maluwag na pants na kulay bughaw, blue. Yung susunod nating susuotin is this puting tank top tapos itatakin natin. Alam mo ba, itong pants na to, inaayos ko kasi napakaluwag sa waist ko. Mahal na mahal ko itong pants na to kasi sobrang oversized na at saka napaka-flowy so hindi siya ganun kainit. Yung next na susuotin natin is this pink na oversized shirt. Very flowy din siya, hindi siya ganun kainit and the material is very thin, manipis. Easy to wear especially with this hot weather. Susuotin natin is this Nike hat na beige. Talaga yung pinaka-paborito kong sapatos kasi